Hey, what's up guys? This is Swapnil Vicky, and in this video I will show you how we can easily install and use WhatsApp business app in our Android phone. So guys, WhatsApp has launched its business app few days ago, and currently in India it was launched. So I will show you how we can easily install it and use it without any trouble. So guys, if you have any question about this WhatsApp app, then you can comment down below, or you can go to this website. I will give you the link in the description of this video. You can check it out and get your answers. So now let's install WhatsApp. So you need to go to the Play Store to install this WhatsApp business app. So I already have installed it and I will show you how it works. So let's begin. So you can see I have installed WhatsApp, my personal WhatsApp and WhatsApp business app, both the app in the same device. So you don't need to carry different devices for both different apps. So you need to just one device and you can install both the apps. So now let's open WhatsApp business and let's see what to do here. So you can click on agree and continue. If you didn't have a business, then you don't need to install this app, but if you want to try, you can install. So here we need to verify our phone number. So make sure that you use your different phone number which is not registered on official WhatsApp. So use a unique number, and you can use also your landline number to verify this device, to verify any number, because this is a business app, and we can do business with landline numbers also. So you can use your landline number also to verify your number. So I am filling here my unique number which is not registered on WhatsApp. So let me do. So guys, I have verified my number and I have skipped this part because it contains my personal number. So I have skipped this part and let's see what to do now. So here we need to give our business name. So if you once set your name, you can't change it. So please fill it carefully. So I am filling my channel name here, and you can use any picture also. So you can see the warning here, your business name will set to Androsphere, and once set, this can't be changed. So are you sure? And I'm sure. Yeah. So you can see the interface of WhatsApp business is too much different than the official WhatsApp. So make sure that you use this WhatsApp app carefully. And now what we need to do, I will show you. So just click on this option icon, these three dots here, and go to settings, and here you will see an option, business settings. You need to go there, go to profile, and here we need to fill all the information about your business. So it's a business app, and of course you need an business address, business category, business description, business hours, email address and website, and much more. So it's a business app. So I'm filling the address, like, just India. I'm living in India, so just filled India. So what's the business category? So I'm selecting educational and business description. So what I will type. So it's a tech channel. It's a YouTube channel and business hours. So I don't spend too many hours on my YouTube. So it was not scheduled. But if you have, then you need to do that. And email address that I will not gonna insert now, and the website. So I have my channel, so I am putting my channel URL here. So if you want to add any other website too, then you can click on this option, add another website, to add another website too. So just click on save. So you can see there's some problem here, and in the address bar we need to type http that websites, what I don't know what I will call it. So we need to type that also. So I think now it's okay. So it has been saved, and just go to statistics. So here you will find how many messages were sent, how many messages were delivered and read, and all that. So if you need to see, then you can see here, and there's three more options here, which is always message. So if someone message you, then there's a setting here that you can use to message them automatically. So you just need to connect your device with internet every time. So here I have turned on this setting. So if someone will message me, then this message will automatically send to that number. So this is another setting. So I have disabled it because I didn't need it now. Greeting message, and this is the same thing. If someone visit your profile or send you the message, this message will be sent to that number. So let's go back and see the third option, which is quick replies. So you can use quick replies to create keyboard shortcuts for frequent sent messages. To type, just select a message. So you can write any message that will show up on your keyboard, that you can reply quickly. So this is the another advantage of this app, and that's it, I think. Yeah, and that's it. So this is the new app from the WhatsApp, which is launched now. So you can use this awesome app for your business. So nowadays people separate their work and family. They install two WhatsApp, so you don't need to do that now. You can install WhatsApp business and WhatsApp official WhatsApp to separate your work, and you don't need to even carry two phones. So guys, this is it about WhatsApp, but if you need any help, you can comment down below. I will really reply your comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, or check out, and don't forget to check out the links that I have given in the description of this video. Thank you guys.